Hey, welcome to the first annual Mooseheart Cruise Night, cruising for the kids here at Mooseheart. This is our first year that we have done this cruise night. We've done car shows in the past, but this is our first time that we're going to venture out into the evening hours and really just have a fun time with a lot of car enthusiasts and really just showing off their vehicles. And we're so happy that everyone's here. In case you don't know, Mooseheart Child City has been around since 1913. We've been in the business for raising children since 1913, over 105 years. We really love what we do. Our main goal at Mooseheart is to give children a second chance at life and to really provide them opportunities to succeed. Thank goodness to the Loyal Order of Moose, who's been around over 130 years, that supplies us with our financial means to be able to have a program like this. Today in the background here, you're not only seeing cars, but you're seeing 1,100 acres of campus here at Mooseheart that we are so richly blessed with from the Loyal Order of Moose and being able to do what we do here at Mooseheart. We hope in the future that you'll get a chance to come out here, even if you're not a car enthusiast or you have a car of your own, that you'll just want to come out and see what we're all about what we do here, as well as maybe come out to our next car show next summer in July of 2019. Until then, we want to say thank you. God bless each and every one of you, and go Ramblers. We hope you get a chance to stick around and enjoy the next video.
Hi, my name is Joe, and this is my Sebring Kit Car. It's based on a 1970 Volkswagen Beetle chassis with a 2110 stroker engine. I've owned it for over 30 years. It's been a work in progress, and when I get tired of something, I change it, and someday I'll get it finished.
Wow. Well, you know what, for the viewers, why don't we talk about how that roof works?
The roof is a canopy, and it's operated by two electric corkscrew motors with a remote entry system, and there's also a backup system in case the radio stops working or the battery goes dead.
That is so cool. Now, is that today's technology? Is that yesterday's technology?
Well, it's
allowing that to work.
The car originally was designed to use a key to open and close the top, and you know, today's technology, everything is wireless. So
right.
So we had to get with the times.
That is so cool. Now, have you taken this car to many car shows?
You know, early on, I've taken it as far as Cincinnati to the Kit Car Nationals. I did that for about 3 years, and then I got married and had children.
Wow.
And you know, the car kind of got put on the back burner for a number of years till we got settled in, and then I took the car completely apart and rebuilt it.
Where are we looking at there? It looks like a...
That is a torsion, that's the torsion suspension.
Okay.
That is the torsion cap.
Okay.
The rear suspension is very similar to a Porsche 911. It's almost identical. The front suspension is more conventional, like a Volkswagen Beetle. It does have a ball joint front end and front disc brakes, rear drum brake setup.
Now, you look like you're about like 6'1".
Yep.
And so do you fit in the car?
I fit. If I were 6'2", it'd be a little difficult.
2 pounds of bologna, 1 pound bag, right?
And I got to watch what I eat.
Well, you can't grow anymore, right?
No.
That is so cool. That is so cool. And then now, we already got the headers are in the back. The engine's in the back.
Yes.
And so what is in the front?
What's in the front is the battery and the condenser for the air conditioning.
Okay.
And there's some electrical items in there also.
That is so cool. That is so cool. How's the car to drive?
It actually drives very nice. It's a 1,700-pound car, and it rides smooth, it handles well. It actually gets pretty good gas mileage. The engine is a 2110 stroker Volkswagen engine with dual Weber 2-barrel carburetors.
And what's kind of unique to look at is only one wiper.
Yeah, that wiper is actually off of a 70s bus.
Oh, really?
Not sure what make, but that was kind of common on trucks and buses.
Wow. Can we take a peek at the let's see, you know what, let's take, before the engine, let's take a peek at the interior. And then so we have all these switches over here.
So it has VDO gauges, custom-made switches, backlit switches.
There you go. That is so cool. That is so cool.
The seats are out of Pontiac Fiero, and recovered them, and
and you actually have room behind the seat to put all this
yeah,
stuff. That's amazing. That is amazing. So how did you find this car, and how did you get interested in this car?
well, I wanted something unique, and in the mid '80s, I had a Dodge Challenger, a '69 Camaro, and a '70 Chevelle, and there were a lot of the same cars out there, and I wanted something different, and I really couldn't afford anything exotic, so this was my my happy medium between something that was affordable, that looked exotic, and it's been a lot of fun.
Now can we take a look peek at the engine?
Absolutely.
Wow. So again, remind the viewers what we're looking
So
at.
it's based on a Volkswagen 1600cc engine. It has a stroker crank, big bore cylinders. It's 2110 cc's, 2.1 liter. It has dual Weber DCNF carburetors, air conditioning, rated about 120 horsepower. It has a custom equal length header on it, and you know, the power to weight ratio is pretty good for this car.
Right, that is so cool. And then
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the next video.